The Republic promotes cultural development and scientific and technical research. It safeguards natural beauty and the historical and artistic heritage of the nation.
We are the students of the class 3G of Nino Maltoio Middle School in Belpasso. We have studied the deep meaning of the Article 9 of the Italian Constitution and the importance of the environment. Today we want to show you our volcanic landscape.
A sensible tourist could follow path 786, laid out by the Alpine Enclave of Belpasso. Through the cave of Piscitello and Cisterna Regina, the path goes to the retreat of Montmartre or Moretna, 1,333 meters above sea level. The route is 15 kilometers long and you can tread it either by car and walking or entirely on foot. The path starts in Contra del Bertaino, where you can see some ancient stone turrets, which are remains of peasant culture. In the past, farmers used it to plow the soil and build oblong stone turrets with stones that they found there. The turrets were also used as sighting posts.
The path continues northeast. On the way you can see dry stone walls and vineyards which are typical of this area. The route goes along one of the lava arms of 1669 volcanic eruption, which was very destructive. As if by magic, you step in a oasis of oak wood that lava didn't destroy. Here you can enjoy a spontaneous vegetation of oaks, all mocks and blooms, and you can see the signs of wildlife. For example, the lair of a fox. Leaving behind the wood, the path goes to the cave of Piscitello, which was very formed by the volcanic eruption of 1669. You can go down into the cave, but you have to bring flashlights and wear helmets.
Continuing northwest, the path leads to the Red Trozzera Royal Path. This place is called Cisterna Regina because it said that Fred III of Aragon's wife, the Queen Elena of Anjou, used to stay there. It is also said that she wanted the construction of a well for the inhabitants of the area. A few meters from it, you can enjoy the remains of a little altar, which probably dates back to year 1300. Of whose was beautiful frescoes have been found. We think that they could deserve adequate protection and conservation.
In the last stage of the path towards Mondosona, you can find the retreat of Mount Manfred. The town of Belpasso oversaw the building of it. It is situated among ancient chestnut trees, and it is made of wood and lava stone, so it is perfectly integrated with the surrounding environment. Nobody is running it yet, but we have tried to imagine it as an accommodation for hikers, scout groups, and mountain lovers. So come and visit us.